मैथ्स सो हार्ड यार, ये मैथ्स क्यों इतना मुश्किल है भाई, मैथ्स ఎందుకు ఇంత హార్డ్ ఉంది? I hear this frequently. I ask you a question. If you do not put a proper base for a building, how can you expect it to be so strong and become so resistive for everything? In the same way, when you're not perfect from your side, from the basic level, how can you expect yourself solving that higher problems? You know why maths becomes so hard? When it comes to subject like science, social, English, okay, languages, these are interlinked. So if you know English, you will be able to form sentences. So English is going to help science and social. Okay, you know the subjects are helping each other here. If you understand the concept and you know how to frame sentences, that is English, then you will be able to write science and social. But here maths is independent. So it should be like it is only for itself. Okay, it doesn't need support. In fact, maths supports other subjects in higher classes, but we cannot expect any support for maths from other subjects. So here we need basic concepts that put the foundation so strong that you know the high level problems become hard. But when you understand the concept and you apply these basic topics now, it becomes easy. So from my experience, I realized that we have to bring up videos like this where we have to put up why subject is becoming hard, and even put out the procedure to make it easy. So my concept is to make maths less complicated. So this is Expedia, where we offer education which is applicable and practical without any copy paste system. So without any delay, let's get started. So here, first thing I need to know about is tables. Now I'm not going to teach you tables over here. I'll ask you to just learn tables, but I'll say you the methods to learn tables and why to learn tables. See, when you go to higher classes, 8th, 9th and 10th, you have to build another trick and the capacity to write the exam within the time. It's not so slowly you write, enjoy the exam, waste the time in not even single minute you're going to waste if you are going to attempt all the questions in a given paper. So these tables help you to do fast calculation, okay, and this save your time and give time to attempt more questions, even extra questions. Okay, this is for fast calculation and saving your time. And tricks to learn tables is just practice it down, like write it down, restate it, regularly read it at least twice a day. Then I'm sure for at least per 1 week, if you're studying in 6th or 7th or 8th right now, it might not be so important. You can do it with like calculating it on book, but later on 9th and 10th it's really important. So per week, if you learn at least one table, it's more than enough, I can say. Practice it down, revise it, repeat it. That's it. Yeah. So here, this is how we have to do tables. And next, identities. So identities are useful to, when you go to higher classes, splitting the sum becomes more important than bringing the sum together. So to make the sum easy to solve, we need to split the sum. I mean expand the sum, like an expanded form. So their identities are useful, and when it comes to solve like you know tables, I asked you to learn tables trick 20. When it comes to 36 into 36, 46 into 46, or 81 into 81, so at that time we use these identities to solve the sum in the easier way. So this is how identities are used. And terms, I can say terms are related to integers. I'll explain you there on the board. Okay, so first we will start with identities. So we have a plus b whole square. If the number is given in the form of a plus b whole square, first I'll explain you what is square. I guess 8th and 9th, 10th students know what is square, but if we go to 6th, 7th students, 2 square is equal to cube. So if it is power is going for power 2 power 2, 2 power 3. So if it is 2 power 2, we will call it square, and if it's 3, we will call it cube. So 2 cube is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. So we did it 3 times. So we multiply 2 3 times. Okay. So this is square and cube. So now we will do it next. Now we will say a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square. So if a number is given in the format a plus b whole square, that means 6 plus 12 whole square, then how do you solve? In this way, a square, the answer will be a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. So when you go to higher classes, you don't put multiplication symbol like this. So just put bracket. Okay. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. So this will be the answer of a plus b whole square. So when you add, no, we cannot add a plus a square. You do not know what is the exact, like this is a variable. That means a can be 1, a can be 2, a can be 3, a can be anything. Okay. So when it comes to constant, if you have 2, 3, anything else, we will add them. A square will be some answer, b square will be some answer, and c square 2ab will be some answer. We will add them and we will get answer. So we will see an example now. Equal to a square. So that is 6 square. Plus b square. What is b over here? 3. 3 square. Plus 2 into, what is a? 6. Into b. What is b? 3. Okay. Now it's a problem with answer. Six exact. So I'll show you. So 6 into 6 times. Okay, that is 6 square. Plus 3 square. So 3 into 3. That will be 9. Plus. First we multiply these two numbers. 6 2s are 2 6s are 12. 6 2s are 2 6s are 12. Then we got 12. 12 into the leftover number is 3. And directly do, but we can understand stepwise. So 36 plus 9 will be 45. Right? Yeah. Plus 12 3s are 36. Okay. So 45 plus 36 will be 80. Okay. Got my point? So this is how we need to solve. Here this is small numbers. You can directly do 6 plus 3 is equal to 9, 9 square is 81. But when it comes to complex numbers, so now we are going to solve a minus b whole square. Okay, this is also a very important identity. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus, A is 6 and B is 3. So which is equal to 36. 6. So 6 square, that means 6 into 6. Okay? 6 into 6 will be equal to 36 plus 3 square is 3 into 3. Okay? 3 into 3 which will be equal to 9 minus 6 2s are 12. 12 3s are 36. Okay? Here 36 we take minus 36 a friend plus 9. So I can shuffle numbers but with their terms. Minus 36 we put minus 36 same as here, but we did not take just 36 and put minus there itself. We brought minus and 36 both. You have to bring. Don't forget to bring minus. Okay? 36 minus 36 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. Okay? So this will be the answer. So this is how you need to do. So I am answering one for A. So minus A and plus A will be equal to 0. So here nothing we have. So that means it's plus. So plus 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. Okay? Now let's have next identity. So the next identity is A square minus B square. A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. So which is equal to, so this is how we do. Now we will take an example. Okay? So example 6 square minus 3 square. Okay? Now for now we are taking very small number 6, 3, 1 digit number. But in actual to solve we will take long digits so that when the digits are long, big, we use this method to solve it easily. Okay? So 6 square minus 3 square which is equal to A plus B, that is 6 plus 3 into A minus B, 6 minus 3. Okay? So 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 minus 3 is 3. 9 3s are 27. So when you put higher classes, you will not be represented with multiplying symbol. You have to use brackets. Okay? So this is how we do A square minus B square. Now we go to A plus B whole cube. A plus B whole cube which is equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3B square A. Okay? Yeah. Now we will take an example. 6 plus 4 whole cube. Okay? Now we get A cube, 36. So A cube is, first I write normal. 6 cube plus B cube is 4 cube plus 3 into A square, that is 6 square, into B, that is 4. You have to must and should have to put bracket. Okay? So next, plus 3 into B square, that is 4 square, into A, that is 6. Okay? Now we will solve. 6 cube, that is 6 into 6 into 6. Okay? So 6 cube into 6 is that is 6, 36 into 6. 216 plus 4 cube. Okay? That means 4 into 4 into 4. So for 4 is 16. 16 4s are 16 4s we get 64. Okay? Plus 3 into 6 square, that means 6 into 6 square, right? 2 times. 6 2 times will be multiplied. Okay? So 6 into 36. 36 3s are 100. Into 4. 4 also we have, we will put it aside. Okay? First number, next. Okay? 16 3s are 16 3s are, we got 108 again. we'll solve this. 3 into 4 square, that is 16, into 6. Now we'll go 16 3s are 16 into 3, 48, into 6. So here 4 into 4 into 3 into 6. So 4 4 is 16, 16 3 is 48 into 6. Okay. Now we will find the answer for this. Okay, final answer. So 216 plus 64 plus 108 into 4. 432 plus 48 into 6. 288. Okay, now when we add them, 216 plus 432 plus 288 plus 64. 10, 8 plus 2 10, and 10 plus 6 16 plus 4 20. Okay, 8 plus 2 10, 6, 8 plus 2 10 plus 6 16 plus 3 19, again 20. 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we got 1000. This is equal to 1000. Okay, yeah. Now we will do the identities. Okay, we'll solve identities. Identities mark very big role in your high classes. Okay, I mean from 6 to 10. So till now, have just come across normal whole numbers, natural numbers, most probably. But now you are going to see these numbers known as integers, which are really very important and they are mostly used in many aspects. So what are integers? So 5 minus 3, 5 plus 3 I guess. If they are given two numbers, most probably you might be done this. What is 3 plus 5? Any other possibility with given numbers 5 and 3? No. But now we will come through. So you only have one term here. Okay, only one term. Between now we have, what is this? We have two terms over here. So to solve them, here are a few terms given. I mean formulae, kind of formulae. So plus minus plus is equal to minus. So what do we do is, we will apply this. So minus plus we got minus. So we do 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2. Here it is not completed. What is the larger number and greater number? 5. So what is the term which we have? Minus. So we put minus. Now we got the answer. So this is a procedure. We will take another example. Plus 6 minus 10. Okay? Plus minus. Plus minus minus. So 10 minus 6. Okay? However, minus we cannot do from small number directly. So we will do it from large numbers. 10 minus 6, 4. Here we have minus. So minus. This is the procedure. Okay? Next. Now we done it in two terms. Now there is no limit. 3 terms, 4 terms, 5 terms. We can give any number of terms. So for any number of terms, there is simple procedure. Okay, we have 3 terms over here. So first we put this one aside. Now we have 2 over here. 2 terms. So we'll make it as a one term. Okay, so that we can do it easily as we done before. So plus minus. Minus. So minus 3. So minus minus plus. So 5 plus 3, 8. So what is the symbol we use? Minus, because 5 is greater. So answer will be minus 8. Got my point? So this is the way you need to solve. So when you have two terms placed together, like plus minus, so okay, you need to simplify it to any one term using this one. After that, normally you have to make it. Okay. Then we'll go to multiplication of those. So minus 5 into minus 3. Multiplication is more easy. First we will multiply these terms. 5 threes are 15. So plus 15 will be the answer. Okay? So first we will multiply the terms in this way, then we will multiply the numbers and put together. Okay? One more. Minus 6 into plus 3. Minus into plus minus. So we will put minus, then we will multiply these digits. 6 threes are 18. Minus 18. Okay? So next. There is one more kind in this. Minus 5 into 2 plus minus 2 plus 3. What is this? 3 numbers again. So first what to do is minus 5 put it aside into, make it as a 1 number. So plus minus minus 3 minus 2 1. So plus minus, okay? See, minus plus minus. So what do we do? 3 minus 2 which is equal to 1. And what is the symbol which we use? Plus, because 3 is greater. Okay? Now we will only do it. What is plus minus? Minus. 5 answer. Okay? So when you have like this, so it's like normally which I explained in this case, right? So you will solve it, you get answer and then multiply it with this case. Okay? This is how we need to solve the problems. So yeah, there are some note points we need to remember. Most of them like they get confused and what do they do is first they will multiply minus 5 into minus 2 and for the answer they will just add plus 3. That's wrong. Okay? You do it, this is one side, this is one family. Combine them, this is already combined. So then multiply. So this is the procedure. Okay? You have to put it in your mind. So that's it. This is the one part. We'll again come with another part with another more important topics. Okay? So if you like this video, click the like button and you have to share to those needed because I feel there are many people who are lacking these topics. That's it. If you have any suggestion or any queries or any doubts, you can comment in the comment section. And if you want any kind of help regarding homework or anything or in doubt, you can post it. I'll give simple homework, okay? So it will be regarding identities. 12 plus 4 whole square and 12 minus 4 whole square. So this is okay. Next. 7 square minus 3 square. Okay, this is another one. Do post in the comment section your answers. Okay? Yeah. Then see. 12 plus 4 whole cube. Okay? Yeah. Then coming to terms. Minus 5 plus 4 plus 8. Okay? Next. Minus 7 into minus 3. So this will be a homework. Right. You will understand till which extent you have done. If you are not understanding, you are not able to listen this video again. Okay? So when you listen the concept and try to understand it and do it, you will understand till which extent you have understood. If you are stopping at one step, yeah, I understood it till here, I am having a doubt over here. So let's check it out. So when you try to apply